Hello everyone, welcome back. I have another free preset to give away. 3D animated titles or intros. It will be in the description below. After you download them, look for SDS 3D animated titles. They're all different, but I'll give you a rundown on the first one. If you're excursion style, you want to go to custom. The controls are all the same. Put an image on it. Just select it. Then come down here. You go to brush. That'll be something that's in Resolve. Go to clip. You can add whatever you want on it. And of course, you'll want to remove the blue and make it white. Now it's on the text. And we can do the bevel too. Uncheck to use one material. Come down here. You can add a shader on the bevel or color. Give your time in. That's how fast it comes in the animation. You can play with that to your liking. You can enable and disable shadows. You can change the background from a picture to a color. You have your four corner, horizontal, vertical, and gradient. Or you can change the background picture. Select browse. You have your easing, ease in, ease out. All right, I'll just let them play through. They're all different. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.